The problem is people run experiments that they don't really do enough velocity. So they really get pixel perfect on each attempt, on each channel, and make sure the brand tone is right, the brand colors are right, the landing page is perfect. And I mean, I've made that mistake myself. So I had this experience where we spent like £30,000 on building this really robust multivariate testing landing page. And after we built it, we launched it, and we found that 90% of people didn't even scroll down. So the whole build was to create all these modular different components of the landing page, but actually that was not the right approach. It would have been better to just get it out there and get the data and then iterate, rather than like make it perfect ahead of time. And this is the problem. It's like we're trying to build this really complicated building before we've even validated people want to live in this area. And you could do that within a shack instead of the building, and it would have been a lot cheaper and faster to do, just to validate the concept. So the high tempo is really about running a lot of experiments that aren't perfect quickly to get a lot of different data points.